The main topic I'd love to chat about today, Paul, is really about maintenance and reliability budgeting. How do you budget every single year, where to spend, what to spend on for the next 12 months? Any tips, tricks, advice for best practices around budgeting and forecasting in a maintenance and reliability department?
For us, it's almost, it's probably a bit easier than it would be most places because we kind of do the same things year after year. So we've got the previous year's budget that's usually pretty close to the year we're applying for, unless we're wanting some more money. So usually one place I will increase the budget has been around tools and training. Tools and training, those have kind of been my bigger spends the last couple of years. So I've been bumping those numbers up. And anything kind of having to do with sort of condition assessment technologies like ultrasound, infrared, vibration analysis, soil analysis. So I've kind of bumped up those budget lines over the years so we can do more of it and have a better sense of what's going on in the plant. So we have a heads up if something's going to break instead of waiting for it to shake off a pedestal or something if it's a big motor. Yeah. Those usually aren't good things. They can be big expensive spends when those things fail.